Yo guys, what's up? Here today, going to talk about trailing stops. You can see that here in Babcock's and Wilcox, the stock has been volatile, right? It's been way down and it was way up. So you can see I have 94% profit, 95% profit. This is pretty good, right? It's almost double. So what I want to do today is I want to place a trailing stop order. So this trailing stop order is going to protect the gain that I've got, right? So basically, every time the stock goes up, it's going to ratchet up the stop to 5% below whatever the high is. That way, I won't miss out on the gains, but then again, if it allows for some stock fluctuation while protecting the gains that I have. So this is Tradestation, so this is how you do it here. It's pretty easy, pretty straightforward. Now I'm not going to do a day, I'm going to do good till canceled. Alright, so I want to say sell. It's good for 90 days. Alright, it's going to initially set it at 100%, 5 below the lowest traded price since the order was placed. Alright, so there we go. So there it is, 5% stop order. You see here, the sell order's in. The stop is currently set at $8.84. It's 5%. It's an advanced type order. It's good till canceled. Alright. That's it. Alright guys, that's the trailing stop order. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Like I said before, like this video for the YouTube algorithm, and subscribe to my channel for the daily options trade and more trading tips and wealth building techniques, including crypto. Alright guys, thanks for watching.